Hello and welcome. This is a room tour of room 403 at the Mizpah Hotel in Tonopah, Nevada. This hotel is full of history and is supposedly haunted. So if you plan on staying in a certain room and you book through a secondary website, I would definitely call and verify that that's the room that they have you scheduled for. We stayed in room 403, which is also known as the Jim Butler Suite, or the wagon carriage room. There was a very comfortable queen-size bed. The showers had very hot water and very good pressure. The views consist of the surrounding mountains of Tonopah. Thank you for watching. Let's consider subscribing, hitting that like button, and we will see you in our next adventure.